Education, the graduation ceremony of the class 2023-2024. With great pride and enthusiasm, we welcome you to this extraordinary event aligned with the theme, Kabataan Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. This day marks the culmination of years of hard work, perseverance, and dedication. It is a testament to the unwavering commitment of Class 2024. The relentless support of our families and the exceptional guidance of our distinguished teaching staff. Together, we have embarked to a transformative journey, navigating the challenge, embracing the triumph, and growing into individuals we are today. As we come together in celebration, let us take a moment to express our heartfelt gratitude to our dedicated faculty members, and thank you for your tireless efforts in shaping the minds of us learners, fostering a love for learning, and imparting invaluable knowledge and skills. Your unwavering dedication and passion have been molding us into confident and capable individuals. To the families and loved ones who have been with us every step of the way, your guidance and belief in our potential have served as a guiding light, fueling their aspirations and propelling us towards success. Today, we celebrate not only our achievements but also our collective efforts and of everyone present here. May this day be filled with pride, joy, and focused inspiration as we celebrate the remarkable journey to Class 2024. Thank you and good morning, everyone.
Presentation of candidates for graduation, Rodelia G. Blanco, our school head. Certification and recommendation, Dr. Leonida A. Palacinas, EBD, Public Schools District Supervisor. Acceptance and confirmation in message, Reynante A. Solitario Certified, Schools Division Superintendent. Distribution of diplomas, certification and awards, Reynante A. Solitario Certified, Schools Division Superintendent. Assisted by SGC, PTA, and Barangay officials. Thanksgiving message, Venus P. Logroño with honors. Dr. Reynante A. Solitario, Certified, Schools Division Superintendent. Represented by Leonida A. Palacinas, Public Schools District Supervisor. Ma'am, may I present to you the candidates for graduation, 33 boys, 18 girls, a total of 41 learners. And for the house, 2 male, 3 female, a total of 4 adult learners. I hereby certify that they have satisfactorily completed all the requirements as prescribed by the Department of Education under the K-12 curriculum. Ma'am, may I request for your acceptance and confirmation. By virtue of the authority vested on me by our school's division superintendent, Dr. Reynante A. Solitario, certified, and with the certification and recommendation of your school head, Rodelia G. Blanco of Quezon Elementary School, that the 45 of you, 25 boys and 20 girls, satisfactorily completed the requirements of the elementary level under the K-12 basic education curriculum, and for the 4 males and 3 girls, female, a total of 5, who completed the alternative learning program of the ALS of the Department of Education, I hereby accept and confirm you as graduates of Quezon Elementary School, Piedad District for school year 2023-2024. Therefore, you are now entitled to receive your certificate of completion or diploma and enjoy whatever benefits and privileges appertaining thereto. Congratulations. Please be seated. A pleasant morning, everyone. Maayong buntag sa tanan. Especially to our punong barangay o Barangay Daliawat Plantation, Mr. Generoso Bacalso, together with his barangay councilors. And to our PTA President, Mr. Jerry Casil, okay, the operator. And to our guest speaker, we have Johnny Lynn Palabreca. With me also are my school heads of Piedad District. Allow me to introduce them to you. First, we have Suzette Tan, the school head of Batu Elementary School. We have also here Mermelinda Bascan, the principal of Batulusa Elementary School. Walay palakpak. To our ALS, because we have this ALS for the first time, nagsabay siya. So we have here our district ALS coordinator. We have Rizalyn Peña. Our ALS teachers, we have here Mary Torretiel and Germaline Kaili. And also from Baracayo, we have our IM. We have Mr. Brian Agrasa Mendez. I have also here our district staff. We have Nurse Kate Mawalik. We have also our ADA. We have Angelica Hamola. And we have also our administrative officer of Quezon Elementary School, Rosario Simbahon. To the teaching force of Quezon Elementary School, where are you? And of course, to our dear school head, Rodelia G. Blando, who is very beautiful today. Tumulig teachers, asa na to sila, nakita na ko kaganiha. Mulig teachers, nasa likod. My dear parents, my dear graduates, maayong udto kaninyong tanan. This is now the second school, ikaduhang school nga amo ang giadtuan